It's so easy to get distracted if you have multiple tabs open. One moment you're working on client projects, the next thing you know, you're doom scrolling on social media and you've lost track of what you're trying to accomplish. Now, if this sounds familiar, you're going to love this Microsoft Edge feature that I'm about to share with you. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Edge Workspaces. So, what is Microsoft Edge Workspace? Microsoft Edge Workspace is a dedicated browser window built for specific subjects. So, each workspace has its own set of tabs, favorites, and of course, the good thing is that all of these are neatly organized and separate from your other work. You can think of it as having multiple digital desks. So, one for your client work, one for your personal projects, and even one for your entertainment. So, why is this useful for freelancers? How does this help? Here are 5 ways that Microsoft Edge Workspace can help you be more productive. Number 1, project separation. You can create a workspace for each client, so there will be no more mixing of your Upwork contracts with your YouTube research or your personal shopping tabs. Number 2, it can help you focus. So, switching to a workspace instantly clears out distractions. So when you're in your client A workspace, you only see those items that you have assigned for that specific workspace. Number 3, collaboration made easy. If you're working with a team or sharing research, you can invite others into your workspace. It's literally giving or making everyone on the same page because they'll see the same tabs in real time, which is perfect if you're working with a remote team. Number 4, sync across devices. Now, whether you're on your laptop at home or on your desktop in the office, you will be able to access your workspaces anywhere by simply logging into your Microsoft Edge account. Just a side note, Workspace is not currently supported in the mobile app, which is, a bit disappointing, but hopefully this will be included in future updates of the browser. And number 5, privacy protection. Even if you share your workspace, your personal logins, cookies, and downloads are still private. So there's no need to worry of compromising your personal data with those you share the workspace with. So, if you're a freelancer or someone who works online but have not switched to Microsoft Edge browser, let me know if this is something that you would try. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share this with a fellow freelancer, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying productive while working online. My name is Florante, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next one.